Hello viewers, in this video we will see the how to Python extract URL from the HTML using lxml. Uh, First of all, we will discussing about the lxml means. So it is designed especially to parsing HTML and therefore comes with the HTML module. HTML string can be easily parsed with the help of the formatting, just like a string function. This will be written and linked to extract a very common task deal with the HTML. So first of all, you can see the installation part. I think you just copy paste. If you want to use Git, then go to the folder, upgrade your pip, and install requirements means just xlml and one request library. You can see two libraries and run the app.py. His name is not app, his name is implementation. You can see the I will update it. So let's start. Here our references of the videos. You can click and go to our YouTube channel. First of all, you two requirements fill up request XML. We discussing in the XML what is the XML. It is extract to the very fast HTML pages of the keywords, just like title, tags, HTML, parsing, parents, tags, and title. Okay, so let's start. You can see the one web response means requesting to the URL to extract our data. You can see the building. uh, Here our XML file formatting. We get the title, text title, HTML title, title tag, and parent tag title. It is very important to understand how to web scaling and how to get data from website. So first of all, you open your terminal, window terminal, Linux terminal. If you want to use conda, you open your environment of the Python, conda Python environment. We want we use in this video Python 3.5. Python, sorry, and we go to the desktop, cd our version Python Pyresearch. You can see the one script name is implementation.py. Python implementation.py. You can see the taking some time for the extracting data. I think so. It should work. Okay, internet is okay. You can see the some taking time for the internet connection is okay, then he will be within second to get data. You can see the title tag, text title, HTML title, and title tag, and parents tag, title dev. So I hope you like it. This is basic concept of the HTML with the extra data XML. So please support our channel for more getting information updates.